आमी पालिका वेंचणुकांचेर बारीकसाणेन नदर दवरून आसात. सरकारा विरोधात सगळ्यो शक्ती एकठांय येवन संयुक्त पॅनल तयार करतले. तशेंच आमी उत्पल पर्रीकराची भेट घेवन तांचे कडेनय नगरपालिका वेंचणुकांचेर चर्चा करतले. एक समान सूत्र तयार करतले. तशेंच फोंडे पोटवेंचणुकां संदर्भातय उलोवप चालू आसा म्हूण काँग्रेसीचो प्रदेशाध्यक्ष अमित पाटकर उलयला. RDXGOA ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
Not only Panjim, all the municipalities over Goa where election is there, we have been closely monitoring it. Madgaon also, Gurgaon, as in Gurgaon, Moscow. So let's see the forces which are against this government. They are trying to put a united panel, and as Congress party, we will support this wherever in Mapsa, in.
Utpal has also welcomed the Yuri statement.
No, Utpalak आम्ही मेळिल्ले आमचो इंचार्ज जेन्ना आयिल्लो तेन्ना I was there, आमचो इंचार्ज was there, so we had spoken about the municipality election. Regarding the municipality elections we had spoken, so let's see, we are working out with some formula.
Okay, what about
Ponda Baipolaची इलेक्शनची तयारी आज सकाळीच we had one meeting with our leader there. Tomorrow they have kept one more meeting, so we have started our work.
So candidate begin announce atlo ke taka time lagtalo.
Opposition alliance is getting together.
मगे सर तू ती प्रेस पहिली आमची स्पेशल प्रेस
कॅन्डिडेट तुम्ही सिलेक्ट केला का अजून करणार? फोंडा बायपोल कॅन्डिडेट सिलेक्ट केला का?